Hello. In this video, I'm going to provide a brief overview of how to use Canva. If you do not have an account, you want to make one by entering in your email address into canva.com. I've already got an account, so I have logged in. You can see that once you log in, there are a variety of templates that serve a variety of purposes. You can make social media posts, invitations, presentations, infographics, worksheets, and more. I'll just show you one of the things I've made in the past and give you an overview of all of the options. I'm clicking on this timeline and you can see right away on the left side of the screen that you have the chance to play around with text, shapes, photos, and more. I'll zoom into the timeline I've made to show you some of the elements. You can see that I wrote the information in a text box, which can be moved around to meet your needs. You can also search fonts. You can play with text color, spacing, animations, just as I've been doing for the past few moments. When you're done with your work, I'm content with this. So when you're done with your work, you can click the share button to see a variety of ways to share your creation. I usually just share links to my work with whomever I want to view it. You copy the link and there you have it. The nice thing about Canva is that it does automatically save your work. So if I go back home, all will be well.